CWC unanimously requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to take the leader of the opposition position in Lok Sabha. All the participants unanimously put up their views on this issue. Everybody was unanimous that Rahul ji should take leader of the opposition position in the Lok Sabha. Because we already told, during this election we raised so many issues, burning issues, unemployment, price rise, Agniveer-like issues, women issues, social justice issues. So these issues has to be continued in a greater manner inside the parliament also. Rahul ji is the best person to lead this campaign inside the parliament. This is what the CWC's view. Therefore, I think entire CWC feel that in the current scenario of Indian politics, for a better and strong, vigilant opposition, those who want to protect Constitution also, should be safe under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji as a leader of opposition. This is what the CWC resolution.
दिल्लीत विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी राहुल गांधीक मेळ्ळो. गोयची परिस्थिती फुटीर आमदारांक लोकांनी सुवात दाखोवन दिली ताचेर खंय चर्चा जाली. 2027च्या गोंय विधानसभा वेंचणुके खातीर खंय इंडिया ब्लॉक तयार.
Rahul Gandhi ji is our tallest leader, and he led from the front, right from the Bharat Jodo Yatra to the Nyay Yatra. He was there right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. That changed the entire equation of the nation. So everyone unanimously resolved that he should take up the position of the leader of opposition. Since this India alliance, we have full faith that we will all move together. And he was the right person, and I believe that I'm quite confident that he will take it up. So yeah.
तुमचे झाले सर उलोक राहुल गांधींकडे नाही?
Oh yeah. But generally, we had a discussion for almost 3.5, 4 hours. And at that time, every state was given an opportunity to present their views, and everyone were there.
तर स्पेसिफिक गोवाच्या बद्दल किती उलोक झाले सर काय?
Goa, we explained the situation and how the defectors were shown the door by the people. And he said that he congratulated us. The party president Kargeji also congratulated us. And we said that together 27 we are confident and working on the 30 progress. There is a myth in the country that they say you win Goa, you win the country. So definitely this is something that is work in progress. And I believe that we are quite confident the way people have voted, against the defection, against this arrogance of the BJP, that definitely we will systematically win 27.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.